Hey, Dugas Bradford here. Welcome to another copyrighted edition of Dugas TV. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make a charcuterie board. First thing you gotta do is get yourself a weird piece of wood. What I got right here is a wood in the shape of an acorn. Next thing you gotta do is get yourself some cheese. What I got right here is some smoked Gouda. And then down here we got some Munster and some cheddar. Then you gotta get some meat. What I got right here is some classic salami, herbs and spices salami, and black pepper salami, and some of this. Next thing you're gonna need for your charcuterie board is some crackers. What I got right here are some wafer crackers, and then 3 different types of crackers. And then to spice things up a bit, I got this hot pepper bacon jam. Once you got your charcuterie board all assembled, what you got to do is go to your yard and pluck a twig for the final touch. And that is how you make a charcuterie board. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe. Until next time, Dugas out.